let's start with the clockwise ones. So if you're like this, the first part should be easy. You come to underhand on this side. And then from here, keeping your hands down low, turning back the other way, right? So just this low return, which I'll show you from the front so you can see. It's this, it's this, it's this. Do this. We're gonna go back to the crappy drills that we hate. So with your right hand, mirror me, with your right hand, you're going clockwise, so go this way, underhand, and then front to back, palm back the whole time. Yes, 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 yes. This is what we're gonna do. So we'll do 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now with your left hand, it is overhand on the front plane. Yes, and then we're still gonna go front to back. Yes, yes, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now keep doing that with that hand, and then try and get the other one doing it with it. When you scoop your right hand up, your left hand is like this, going overhand. When you scoop your right hand up, come in toward your butt crack, maybe to start it, right? So if you're like this, come in toward your butt crack. Or in toward the midline of your body on the front. Take your right hand only and do this drill here. We're back to this. So the underhand version, front to back, just front to back. Keep going front to back. Keep it low and tight. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and now, while your right hand is going, try and enter your left hand into it. So you throw your left one over the top to start it. Yes, yes, and yes, there it is! Woohoo! The crowd goes wild! I am the crowd. I went wild. What you can also do is do it in split time. So one's on the bottom while the other one's on the top. Yes. And then you could go back to same time. And then you could also go back to split time. And then back to same time. And then you could go into chasing the sun. And then you could come back down and go back into the hip rail. And then go into split time. And then go back into same time. And then come into chasing the sun. And then come up to pinwheel. Then go into split time. Then back to same time. And then come back to chasing the sun. And then come back down to the hip rail in the same time. Then split the time. Then go back to same time. Then go back to chasing the sun. Then we'll come up to pinwheel and same time, and then split the time, and then back to together time, and then come down into chasing the sun, and then come down into hip rail, and then split the time, and then back to same time, and then up to chasing the sun, and up to the together time pinwheel, then split the time, and then same time, and then down to chasing the sun, and then down to the hip rail. This direction here, when I'm doing this is overhand, but opposite direction, because they're both going overhand, but they're opposite each other, versus like this, where they're same direction, but one's overhand and one's underhand. The clockwise hip reel. So if we get into it the way you got into it last time, you would start with your right hand like this, just doing the front to back. Just doing the front to back. And then after you chill out a little bit with that, adding the other hand in, yes. Then try and sync up the timing. And then go into your chasing the sun. The chasing the sun is when you continuously do sweep back, sweep over, but with no spaces in between. Right, so instead of waiting here and waiting here, you just keep going between them. Now, when you get back down to the bottom, keep it down there, do a couple extra beats, keep it a couple, yeah. And then go back up and back into chasing the sun. And that was beautiful. That's exactly right. That's exactly right. Now come stay up top and do together time pinwheel up top. Beautiful. Okay, and now we come back to chasing the sun. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, now we're gonna stay down low in that hip reel. Stay down low in that hip reel. And then we're gonna bring it back to chasing the sun. And then this next time go up, go into together time pinwheel, boom, boom, boom. And then back into chasing the sun. Then back down to the bottom, hold it down in the hip reel. Now split the time in the hip reel. Now we're adding a new element. So it's the same move with a different timing. Then go back to that together time that you were doing. I'm not sure if you were doing same time or together time, but it doesn't matter. And then go back into chasing the sun. Almost. You got it. You almost. Okay.